Are you tired of being held back by your credit score? Your financial future shouldn't hinge on poor credit ratings. Welcome to Night Owl Investors Credit Services. We're here to help you regain control of your credit. Imagine confidently applying for your dream home or car. With our guidance, you can achieve that goal quickly. Start your journey with 3 simple steps. First, obtain your updated credit report and score. Next, complete our credit services questionnaire. Lastly, click the Buy Now button to secure our services. $49.99 once enrolled, our expert team will take charge. You'll receive a welcome email confirming your journey. We'll create customized dispute letters for negative items. Our team communicates every step of the way. What sets us apart? We don't just assist, we empower your financial independence. Our transparent process means no hidden fees or charges. Invest in your tomorrow with a one-time payment. Simple. Don't let a low credit score limit your dreams. Visit us at www.nightowlinvestors.com today. Complete the questionnaire and reclaim your financial future. Act now. Let's begin transforming your credit together.